Okay. Today we are going to talk about the next topic in Unit 3, nominal rate and effective rate of interest. So already we have talked about compound interest. Nominal rate and effective rate of interest. Okay. So in this problem, they have also given a formula. For a same formula, we are going to follow it. Girls, are you able to see my screen? Girls, are you able to see my? Okay, now. Okay. So in this nominal rate, they find the effective rate of interest equivalent to the nominal rate of interest is 9% per annum. When it is compound half yearly, you all know half yearly means by 2. Excuse me. Then quarterly means 4 by divided by 4. So considered as principal as usual, assumed it's rupee 1 rupee. So N we don't know, so we are considering it's a 1. So I they have given 9% per annum. So 9 divided by 100, that is automatically converted to 0.09. But here they have given half yearly. Half yearly means we have to divide it by 2. That is 6 months only we have to take. So we are dividing it into 2. So for whole year 9%, that is divided by 2, you will be getting 0.09 divided by 2, 0.045. The N we have considered as 1. So into 2N we have to do half yearly means 2N, quarterly means 4N. So half yearly 2N means 2 into 1. So we are doing 2. So now we are going to apply it on the formula. Amount is equal to P into whole power of 1 plus I divided 2 quarterly half yearly we are doing in a 2. I divided by 2 the whole power of 2 into N. That is, நம்ம இங்க principal 1 rupee assume பண்ணிருக்கோம். So 1 into 1 plus I divided by 2, 0.045. That we have taken. 2N, 2 we have find it. So we are doing it whole power of 2. So when we are considering this 1 into, எல்லாமே add பண்ணி the whole power 2 பண்ணும்போது 1 into 0.1 into sorry 1.045 into 1.045 you will be getting 1.092. When we multiply it 1, the same answer we can get it 1.092. So compound interest formula is A minus P, amount minus principal. Amount we have find it 1.092. Principal we have assumed it 1 rupee. So when we minus it, the rate of interest is 0.092. When we consider rate of interest into 100 we have to do. When we multiply it 100, 9.20%. Okay, so coming to the next problem. What effective rate of interest is denoted by 6% per annum payable quarterly? Quarterly means we have to 4. Okay, so let it be as usual. Principal rupee 1, N is equal to 1. I they have given 6%, 6 divided by 100, that is 0.06. So I quarterly kudutadala I divided by 4, that is 0.06 divided by 4, you will be getting 0.015. Then N 4 into N, 4 into 1 we have to do 4. So the same formula we have to apply, but here they have given quarterly. So I divided by 4 the whole power of 4N. A is equal to P into 1 plus I divided by 4 the whole power of 4N. So multiply பண்ணி பண்ணும்போது apply எல்லாமே நமக்கு information circles, just directly we are going to apply it. P1 we have assumed it 1 plus I divided by 4 we have considered 0.06 divided by 4 is 0.014. The whole power of 4 into N. 4 into N is 4. So when we multiply 1. add பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தா 1.015 இருக்குது. அதை 4 times multiply பண்ணா you will be getting 1.0614. Okay, so other multiply by 1 order multiply the same answer you will be getting. As usual, compound interest is a minus b. When we minus it, you will be getting 0.016. So into 100 kotana percentage convert I do. Okay, the same thing. Okay, so now we are going to do it for a next problem. Sum of amount they have given, principal amount they have given. So far we have assumed it as a 1 rupee. Here they have given 25,000. So 25,000 is the principal amount. N we have considered for 1 year. So they have given for 1 year. Then I 12% they have given. So 12 divided by 100. Here quarterly now 4. I divided by 4 is 0.12 divided by 4. So 0.03. So 4 into n, quarterly n 4. So half na 2n போடுவோம். Half na 2n, quarterly na 4n. Okay, girls, please note it down. For quarterly, we have to consider it's 2. Sorry, half yearly we have to consider this 2. Quarterly, we have to consider this 4. Okay, so same formula, A is equal to P into 1 plus I divided by 4 into 4 to the power of n. So P already we know they have given 25,000. Then I divided by 4 we have found it, that is 0.03 into the power of 4. So multiply panni எல்லாத்தையும் 4 times பண்ணும்போது you will be getting 1.1255. So answer பண்ணும்போது you will be getting 28,138. A minus B, when we do it, compound interest is 3,138. So effective rate of நமக்கு P கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So effective, they asked to find the effective rate of interest. So effective rate of interest பண்ணும்போது actually நமக்கு எவ்வளவு percentage வரும் அப்படின்றது நமக்கு தெரியாது. So அதனால என்ன பண்றாங்க, compound interest divided by P into 100 பண்ணும்போது 12.55% நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. So amountல இருந்து per rate கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு compound interest divided by principal into 100 you will be getting 12.55%. The same thing for this also quarterly for 1 year. Amount வச்சு அவங்க பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Principal 5,000, n 1 year கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. I 12% for quarterly divided by 4. So we can apply it in this formula, that is 1 plus I divided by 4 the whole power of 4n. So எல்லாமே apply பண்ணும்போது same compound interest will be getting 628. So effective rate of interest வேணும்னா the compound interest divided by principal into 100 you will be getting 12.55. So whenever you are having the principal amount is 25 or 25,000 for quarterly and half yearly, there is no difference between the effective rate of interest. So எல்லாமே கொஞ்சம் interest rate correct தான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்றத இந்த இதுல நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். So this is the formula we have to find for nominal rate of interest. Okay. So nominal rate of interest கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. They ask to write effective rate of interest னா கொடுப்பாங்க. So இத வச்சு தான் you have to find it. This is a nominal rate of interest. You have to apply this formula. So do you have any doubts, girls? Shall we move on to the next one? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall we move on to the depreciation? Okay, next topic is depreciation. So already you all know depreciation. What is that? Machinery value minus that is depreciation. So cost of machinery they have given, depreciation is 10%. So we are that is every year we are doing the depreciation. So 1,000 rupees on the year, 10% of 1,000 rupees. So minus the 9,000. Adila 10% of 900. So when the last end of that is starting of the next year, you will be having this balance. So இப்ப இங்க எப்படி பண்றாங்க அப்படின்றதுனா இங்க உங்களுக்கு ஒரு mission costing is 35,000 whose expected lifetime is 10 years was purchased. Calculate the scrap value of end of its life. That is depreciation. Scrap value na அதோடைய தேய்மானம் எவ்வளவு இருக்குதுன்றத பார்க்கணும். So depreciation on the reducing installment system being charges 10% per annum. So given P is equal to 35,000, I 10%. So as usual, N also they have expected, this is a period. N is 10 years. So confuse aikada. This is percentage. This is n. Okay. So now we are doing it. N is equal to 10. 1 minus I is the depreciation value. It is 1 minus 1 by uh, 1 by 10. That is 9 divided by 10. We have to take it as LCM. LCM madi panni. Then namange pannanum. 1 minus 1 by 10. So every 1 by 10 mentioned 10 divided by 100 cancel pannona 1 divided by 10. So either namak consider பண்ணும்போது 9 by 10 நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. So base at 10 ஆ எடுத்து so 9 minus 1 sorry 10 minus 1 10 into 1 110 minus 1 you will be getting 9 divided by 10. Okay, so இங்க 1 by 10 எப்படி வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா இந்த 100 10 divided by 100 0 0 cancel ஆயிடுது. So அதனால 1 divided by 10 வருது. Okay, A is equal to P into 1 plus 1 minus I the whole power of n. So the log க்கு convert பண்றாங்க. Log A is equal to log P plus n log 1 minus I. 1 n வந்து இந்த side front கொண்டு வந்துறாங்க. N log 1 minus I. So log P is, that is principal is 35,000 plus 10, n is 10 years, log 9 minus log 10. So what is that? So 1 minus I they have given. So log 9 we have to consider 10 lend 1 minus 29 minus I is you all know 10 9 by 10 தான் இங்க கொண்டு வராங்க. That is log 9 divided by 10 பிரிச்சு எழுதுறாங்க. That is log 9 minus I indicesல பாத்தீங்கன்னா divisionல இருக்கிறது மைனஸா மாறுது. And the girls, any someone has unmuted yourself, please mute yourself. Girls, Yuvashri, mute yourself, ma. Okay. So log 9 divided by 10 வந்து indicesல log 9 minus log 10 க்கு நம்ம convert பண்றோம். So convert பண்ணது தான் இங்க எழுதுறோம். So log 35 குரிய log உடைய value, log 9 குரிய value, log 10 குரிய value. So இந்த எல்லா values-ஐயும் வச்சு we are finding it all these things. So பண்ணும்போது you will be getting anti-log of 4.0861. How to find anti-log? Already calculatorல log அமுக்கி that is 35,000 போட்டினா 4.544 வரும். அதே மாதிரி log அமுக்கிட்டு log 9 போட்டிங்கன்னா 0.9542 வரும். So how to find anti-log? How to find anti-log in calculator? எனக்கு தெரியாம இருப்பாங்கப்பா கால்குலேட்டர்ல எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு லாக ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அமுக்கிட்டு நம்பரை போட்டோம்னா உனக்கு லாக் உடைய வேல்யூ வந்துரும். ஆன்டி லாக் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். how to find it anti log? How to find anti log? கேக்கலடா? shift then yes, shift
log.
Okay, I'll tell you. Your voice is buffering down. Shift அப்புறம் log அதுக்கப்புறம் 4.0861 plus போடக்கூடாது. shift plus log plusனா first shift அமுக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் log plus பண்ணி press first shift press next log then the number. You'll be getting this anti-log value. So that's the scrap value of the machines at the end of 10th year is 12,200. So this is how we have to find the depreciation value. So 10th year la pathina and the 35,000 value வந்து 12,200 இருக்கும் அப்படின்றத சொல்றாங்க. Then coming to the second problem. A mission depreciations at the rate of 10% this value at the beginning of a year. A mission was purchased of rupees 5,810. The scrap value realized when the sold was 2,250. Find the number of years that mission worked. So let it be the P is 5,000, purchase of that is principal amount is 5,810. That is amount is 2,250. I is 10%. So N, what is the N? We have to find it. Okay, so N is equal to log A minus log P divided by log of 1 minus A. I is the formula. So log A is 2,250 minus log P is 5,810 divided by log 1 minus I. I we don't know. So sorry, I is 10 divided by 100. So 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is converted into 0 0.1. Okay, so this is 0 0.1. Okay. So sorry. Girls, any doubts?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? Yes, down.
Ma'am, 0.9 எப்படி ma'am வந்துச்சு?
That is 10 divided by 100. We have to convert it into 0, 1 minus I rubber 10 divided by 100 போடும்போது when that is நம்மளுடைய value வச்சு போட்டிருக்காங்க. That is 1 minus 10 divided by 100. Okay. So இப்போ இங்க வந்து 1 by 10 வருது. So LCM எடுக்கிறோம் 10. So 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 1, 10. Then இங்கே வந்து say minus 1. LCM எடுத்து பண்ணுவோம்லடா அந்த மாதிரி minus 1 is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9 divided by 10. So 9 divided by 10 na divide பண்ணி பண்ணும்போது 0.9 value வருது. Now it is understood?
Yes, ma'am.
புரியுதாடா? நம்ம இங்க பண்ணாங்களடா அதே தான்டா. இங்க பண்ண அதே வேல்யூ தான். இங்கே 10% தானே, இங்கே 10%. So same value we have to find it. Okay? Okay, 0.9. So இங்க 1 minus I னோனே எப்படி பார்த்துட்டீங்களா? 1 minus I is 10 by 100. So அப்படி கன்சிடர் பண்ணும்போது 9 by 10. So 9 by 10 வந்து டிவைட் பண்ணோம்னா 0.9. So இப்போ எல்லாத்துக்கும் வேல்யூஸ் போட்டோம்னா வேல்யூ போட்டு அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது you will be getting this answer. So minus பண்ணும்போது minus 0.413. Then divided by 1.9542. So இது எல்லாத்தையும் கன்சிடர் பண்ணி மைனஸ் that is இது வந்து பார்ல இருக்குது. So that is மைனஸ்ல இருக்கு அர்த்தம். So பார்ல இருக்கும்போது minus 1 plus 0.9542 கன்சிடர் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So இப்படி நம்ம மைனஸ் பண்ணும்போது மைனஸ்ல தான் வருது. So நீங்க 3.3522 minus 3.7642 பண்ணும்போது 3.7 is higher. So the value is minus 0.412 வருது. Then barல இருக்கும்போது அதுவும் மைனஸ்ல தான் காட்டுது. So 1 decimal is extraவா காட்டுது. So அதனால minus 1 plus 0.9542 பிரிச்சு எழுதுறாங்க. Okay, so பிரிச்சு எழுதி minus பண்ணும்போது you'll be getting minus 0.0458. So the ரெண்டை divide பண்ணும்போது 9 is the answer. So the mission was worked, the period is 9 years. So the N உடைய value, that is period of mission வந்து 9 years work பண்ணிருக்கு அப்படின்றத காட்டிட்டாங்க. Then coming to the next problem, a machinery in a factory is valued at 49.074 and is decided to reduce the estimated value at the end of the year 15% of the value at the beginning of the year. So when will its value be 20,000? So let it be P வந்து 49. So 49,074, A is 20,000, I is 15%. That is 15 divided by 100. That is converted into 0.15. N we have to find it. The same formula we have to apply. And the log A is 20, log B is 49,000. Then 1 minus I is 1 divided by 15 by 100. You'll be getting 0.85. So எல்லாத்துக்கும் நம்ம வேல்யூ பண்ணும்போது இங்கேயும் மைனஸ்ல தான் வருது, பார் 1 வருது. So அதை தனியா எழுதிடுறாங்க -1 plus 0. So இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு மைனஸ் கேன்சல் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் இது ரெண்டே டிவைட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் 5.5 is the answer. Okay, so in your I think So I'll post this 4, illustration 4 and illustration 5. If anyone is having book, you can post this illustration 4 and illustration 5 as the homework problem. Okay, shall we move on to the next topic is discount. 1 minute, I have to find the page number. So 171 is the page number, I think so. Yeah. So next topic is discount. So that's a trade discount, cash discount. Already we all know what is trade discount. That when we are purchasing, we'll be getting a trade discount from the wholesaler. That is called trade discount. When the participants, so when we are doing, when we are going to shop and we are purchasing, that is called cash discount. So how will you do it? So you all know the sold price is 20,000. First trade discount vaangumbodhu, that is mottama vaangumbodhu adula 15% kalikiranga. So invoice price is 17,000. Namma cash discount na purchase pannabodhu or 5% kudukrom. So adula 17,000 and 5% appa 850. So net cash price is 16,150. Okay. So now we move on to the next problem. A producer sells a sofa set listed to 12,000 to a retailer, showing trade discount at 20% and cash discount is 10%. The retailer in turn sells and show a 10% as discount and gaining 20% on profit on cost. So first list of the producers is 12,000 kudirukanga. Adula 20% first trade discount pandranga. Invoice price is 9,600. So then less cash discount 10% varudhu. So 9,600 la cash discount pandranga 960 varudhu. Adula minus pannumbodhu 8,640. So if add profit earned, our 25% profit earned panirkaru. So 25%, 8,640 la 25% add பண்ணும்போது 10,800. So அதுல இருந்து அவர் மார்க்கெட் பிரைஸ்க்கு மார்க்கெட் நமக்கு விக்கும்போது அவர் 10% டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கொடுக்கறாரு. So அப்ப டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கொடுக்கும்போது that would be 10 divided by 90. Ma'am, இது வந்து 10 divided by 19 கொடுக்குறீங்க. Return, retail return sales ன்றனால not in a full-fledged varadu. So 10 divided by, that is, you all know, 100 minus percentage. So in the formula apply பண்ணுவாங்க. Discount market price in percentage divided by 100 minus percentage. So 10 இங்க இருக்குது 100 minus 10%. So 90. So அந்த இதில் பண்ணும்போது 1200. So அவர் எவ்வளவுக்கு வாங்கினாரோ அவ்வளவே அவருக்கு கிடைச்சிருது. So this is how they have calculated all this discounts. The same thing for this third problem also. But here, that is pump set, they didn't given that amount. So we are considering it's 100. So 100 assume pannite price value, that is full amount is 100 consider panikrom. So adula 20% cost, add profit on a cost of 20%. Sorry, 60% that 20 ninga kuduthirukanga. So please change it to 60%. 100 into 60 divided by 100 is 60. So rende add பண்ணும்போது 160. Then less trade discount is 20%. 20 divided by 100 is 32. In the 160 la irundhu 20%. So minus பண்ணும்போது 128. So இப்போ நம்ம pump set assume பண்ணிருக்க value 100. அதுல இருந்து minus பண்ணா 28 வருது. The profit on sale of pump set is 28. எப்படின்னா நம்ம assume பண்ணிருக்க cost price is 100 வச்சிருக்கோம். Invoice price வந்து 128. Cost invoice price la irundhu cost price minus panna automatically evlo difference amount ன்றது நமக்கு கிடைச்சிரும். Okay, so இப்ப actual அவங்க எவ்வளவு purchase பண்ணிருக்காங்க அப்படின்றத நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா, that is 1400, make it as a profit. 1400 நமக்கு profit கொடுத்துட்டான். So 100 reverse ல போடணும். profit வந்து 28 rupeesன்றத நம்ம first நம்ம cost price 100 ன்னு வச்சு நம்ம பண்ணிருக்கோம். So add profit of cost 60% add பண்ணிருக்கோம். Then less trade 20% less பண்ணி 120. So cost priceல இருந்து profit minus பண்ணா 28 rupees. So இந்த 28 reverseல போட்டோம்னா 100 divided by 28 into 1400 is 5000 is the actual price of the pump set. Actual price of the pump set. Okay, so கொஞ்சம் இது லைட்டா தெரியுது உங்க புக்ல யாராவது இந்த பேஜ் மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் கிளியரா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. எனிவே so first that is bankers discount face value plus into period of discount into rate of interest. So bankers discount is denoted as BD, face value is denoted as A, bankers discount in years is N, I is rate of interest. That is bankers discount is equal to trade discount plus bankers gain. Trade TD na trade discount, BG na bankers gain, B அப்படின்னா bankers discount. Girls நான் சொல்ல மட்டும் என்ன சொல்லுமா
மேம் பேஜ் நம்பர் மேம்
என்னடா
மேம் புக் பேஜ் நம்பர் என்ன மேம்
பேஜ் நம்பர் 177 டா.
ஓகே மேம்.
So now we are going to find a banker's gain. So banker's gain கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா this formula we have to use. Banker's gain, that is banker's gain is equal to bankers discount minus trade discount. So this is the formula we have to apply. So okay, the next coming to the next formula is bankers discount கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா bankers discount கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா amount into n into I, trade discount கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா principal into n into I. Okay, so bankers gain is equal to TD, that is trade discount into NI. So நீங்க formula சொன்னோனே நம்ம sum பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா தெரிஞ்சிரும். So shall we directly move on to the problem? X sold goods worth rupees 5,000 to Y for 6 months credit and drew a bill on Y at 6% interest per annum. X immediately discount the bill with the banker at the same rate of interest and got the balance from the bank. So first we have to find the true discount, banker's discount, and amount received from the bank, then banker's gain. So sales value of the goods is 5,000. So our X on the sales panade 5,000. Okay, interest is 6 months interest, 6%. Apana 5,000 lend 6% only for 6 months, not the whole year. So another 6 by 12 illana 1 by 2. 1 by 2 illana 6 by 2 12 போனோம் half year தான் நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கான். Interest only half year க்கு தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க சொன்னால 1 by 2 போடுறோம். So 150 add பண்ணா 5,150. So இப்ப true discount na A minus P, that is amount minus principal. Amount is 5,000, that is நம்மளுடைய interest சேர்த்து பண்ணும்போது amount 5,150. Actual principal value is 5,000. So answer is 150. So A we all know 5,150. N is 6 1 by 12. Then I is 6 by 100. So இதை வச்சு நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு ஃபார்முலால பண்ணலாம். Bankers discount today formula A into N into I. A 5,150. N is 6 by 12 is 0.5 into I is 0.06. Then amount received from bank, face value minus banker's discount. So face value is, you all know the actual value. Interest oda add பண்ணும்போது 5,150. Bankers discount நமக்கு எவ்வளவு கிடைச்சிருக்கு 15.50. So 15.50, how will you get it? Sorry girls, here they have given that is 154.50, not 15. 154.50. When we minus it, 4,995.50. Is it clear? Not 15,154. Bankers discount 154.50. Okay. Bankers gain. Bankers discount minus trade discount. Bankers discount is 154.50. Trade discount நம்ம எவ்வளவு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் 150. So இந்த ரெண்டையும் minus பண்ணும்போது you will be get, that is trade discount is A minus P 150. So இந்த 150 ரெண்டை minus பண்ணும்போது bankers gain எவ்வளவுனா 4 rupees 50 paise. So இப்படிதான் நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு இதுக்கும் நம்ம ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ட்ரூ டிஸ்கவுண்ட், பேங்கர்ஸ் டிஸ்கவுண்ட், அமௌண்ட் ரிசீவ் ஃப்ரம் பேங்க், பேங்கர்ஸ் கெயின் உடைய ஃபார்முலா வச்சு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay, coming to the next problem. True discount bill is 5,175. Due to 6 months, if the rate of interest is 7%, find out the banker's discount and banker's gain. A கொடுத்துட்டாங்க 5,175. N is 6 by 12, I is 7 by 100. So, இப்போ நம்மளுடைய value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா less the present worth of bill. P is equal to A divided by 1 plus NI. A is 5,175, 1 plus N is 0.5 into I is 0.7. So, எல்லாத்தையும் பண்ணும்போது 5,000 as our present worth. That is P. Principal நீங்க சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க இங்க இதுல வந்து present worth ன்னு சொல்வாங்க. Present value of the bill 5,000. அவங்க interest எல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது 5,175. So true discount is 175. So now we can apply it on the banker's discount formula A into N into I. A you all know 5,175. N is 0.5. I is 0.07. So bankers gain now. Bankers discount minus trade discount. Bankers discount எவ்வளவு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் 181.13 we have find it minus trade discount is 175. So 175 is 6.13 is the trade discount. So with this I'll finish today's session.